Hey, you guys, how you guys doing tonight? My name is Jonathan Bertrand, and what I'm here to do is tell you guys a little bit about some updates from the United States Cybersecurity Command. And one of the biggest things that I found very, very interesting was that they actually had technical challenges and problems listed publicly as a set of instructions and information based content that they needed that was declassified by United States basically security command that was over understanding and creating solutions to deter adversaries from infiltrating our systems. Now, many people may be wondering, well, what does that have to do with me? Why is Jonathan creating a video on this specific topic? Well, there was one area of this document that is called personas and identity. And for people that may not know what is personas and identity, just to give you some key words, that means your persona online, the identity that you develop, and how you authenticate yourself in the online world, whether by passwords, whether by code names or emails, or behavior attributions that are based on your everyday habits. Now, these identities can be fabricated. They can also create cyber actors, meaning they can be manipulated to people's advantage and to your disadvantage. And one of the biggest avenues is using social media. So in section number five, I would like to just break down to you guys what the United States military is currently looking for. And for those people that don't know, the Department of Defense actually has a whole section on this, where it's basically called the United States Cybercom 2020 Technical Challenges Problems Guidance. And they cover what? Two, four, six different areas. And one of the key areas is area number five. And area number five covers personas as well as identity. And this is important to this generation because it talks about how users of social media or people in the cyberspace have behaviors based on attributions that fall in the areas of dependency, deep fakes, or they're actually creating information for, as they say, adversaries or enemies, etc., to be more active in our lives indirectly. So, for example, hacking our information, getting into our personal data, and even more so, acting as if we are them and if they're us. Now, for many people, the intersection of reality and social media think it's not as close as it actually is. And what people don't understand is that when you are building your social media persona, you are building a reality that other people can actually cater towards. And when I say cater towards, meaning that as they feed into the likes, the follows, they're building this identity that is eventually going to become fabricated. And meaning that as you are in the online world, you are not in the real world. And that leads to disorder. So I would also like to introduce as a solution, because this is what this document is all about. The solution basically for the identity and persona is addressing the social media persona and understanding the identity that you are building in the online space. Now, for those people that may be thinking, well, how would you do that? That's impossible. Well, it's not impossible because, like anything, a cyber actor is someone that can act as someone and portray them effectively. And these are the kind of things where once you take someone's credentials, once you take someone's activities that they do online daily and manipulate it by creating false accounts, you become a cyber actor and you become someone that is a threat. Now, when it comes to artificial intelligence, that streamlines it without human interaction. The only issue with artificial intelligence is that instead of humans doing it, computers are learning you. And we all know how that goes. Ever seen Terminator? So these are the kind of things where, as you build your social media persona, please be aware. Please be aware that people are watching and not everybody has your best intention. And if you're a powerful organization like the Department of Defense, which has cybersecurity command, these are the kind of solutions that you want people like me and those in the cybersecurity community to help you develop. And the social media persona introduced by the triple conscious theory, as well as Introducing cyber psychoanalysis can also identify the personas developed online, as well as identifying the key markers and triggers that make someone who they are today in the online world. If you want more information, please visit socialmediaawareness.org/research, as well as you can research us as well and look at our research online in reference to these terms. Thank you very much. My name is Jonathan Bertrand, and welcome.